In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and utilize the tools available on Wix, specifically focusing on manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their website's functionality through Wix's robust site management features. First, begin by heading over to wix.com. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. This step is critical as it not only verifies your identity, but also unlocks all the customization and editing features you'll need access to. Once logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. You'll want to click on Edit Site, which will open the Wix editor, your toolkit for creating and tailoring your site. With the editor open, direct your attention to the left toolbar and click the plus add button. This is your gateway to a myriad of elements you can incorporate into your site, whether that's new text boxes, images, or interactive buttons. Next, you'll want to select the menu and anchor option. This feature allows you to add menus or anchor points, but for our purpose, click on Site Search. Adding a search bar is a great way to improve user navigation on your site. After selecting the search bar option, click on it and drag it to your desired location on your page. A good tip here is to place it in a spot that will remain consistent across all pages, like the header. This placement ensures maximum accessibility for your users. Once your search bar is in place, click on it and then choose Settings from the options. Here's where you can really personalize the search bar to fit your website's theme. You can adjust the design, including fonts, colors, and button styles. Don't forget to customize the placeholder text to something inviting like search products, blog posts. Finally, specify the search scope to either the entire site, specific pages, or a content collection, depending on how deep you want your search capabilities to probe. The next step is to customize the search results page. By default, Wix offers a basic layout, but you're free to make it your own. Within the editor, navigate to Pages and find the search results page. Click Manage Page followed by Settings to adjust the name or SEO settings if needed. You have various design customization options at your disposal. Add or remove elements like images or text, switch between grid or list layouts, and tweak colors and fonts to align with your brand identity. For those using Wix CMS, consider implementing filters or categories for added functionality. Once everything is set, click on Preview to see your site in action. Type different keywords into your newly added search bar to ensure everything works as expected. Check that the design looks appealing and functional on both desktop and mobile devices. Lastly, finalize your changes by clicking Publish and then Done to make everything live on your site. And there you have it, a fully integrated, customized site search feature on your Wix website.